Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is Monday morning. It's Monday after Easter, which means it's spring break for some of you, if not many of you. Enjoy. Busy weekend. Just a lot going on, but I'll get to something in a moment. Yesterday, I did prepare a large meal, which consisted of Cuban pork roast, oven roasted baby red potatoes with bacon, shallots, asparagus, with a creamy mustard yogurt sauce, sausage dressing with sage, Greek lemon green beans with feta cheese, and robin baked an Irish apple cake. The recipe originated from the English kitchen. Thank you, Marie. It was really good. Everything was stupendous, marvelous, all repeatable. I've done one or two of these. Actually, I've done two of these before, but everything's repeatable. The recipes are on the website. I'm trying something. Actually, I'm not trying, but I'm doing something new, which means you can cook along with me during the week because the recipes are already on the website. I'm not waiting until the weekend, until the end of the week. So cook with me throughout the week, except for tonight. Tonight we're having leftovers. That's the beauty of creating and preparing such a large meal, is the leftovers. So that's what we're having tonight. Big announcement this morning. Yesterday, I actually announced that I had submitted From the Road, my photography book, to Amazon KDP. As of this morning, it is live. You can now order From the Road, my photography book, which is basically photos. It's a photo essay. It's a photo collection. Majority of the photos were taken around and in the Sutter Buttes, not just the buttes themselves. So take a look. I'll put the link in the post. So on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.